Hey, what's up people? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you how to use Google DNS cache flush tool. So if you have changed your domain host or the name server, but it's still pointing to the old servers, here's how you can do it. So when should you use this? You should use this tool after changing the hosting or the name servers, after moving your site to the new server. If your DNS is not updated and you want to update it, you can do this using this method. So just open your browser and type Google DNS flush and select this option, flush cache public DNS, and make sure to enter the website, the domain name. I'll enter my domain name. It's not this one, howtoprofix.com, and click on this flush cache. So now what this will do is it will tell Google public DNS that your website has been moved, or your website has been the name servers of your website, the domain has been changed, and it will help to flush the main domain faster. So you can see it is successful. That's how you can flush cache for your DNS for your domains using this Google public DNS cache tool. Hope you found this video helpful. For more such tips, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.